Hey, I wanted to go over what we went in class today. The Zoom did not record for whatever reason, so I'm just going over a quick recap of what we did in class today. And this assignment that I'm going to be going over right now will be due on Wednesday. Of course, tomorrow, Tuesday the 25th, is West Success. So this will kind of go over into the West Success tomorrow because this is going to be like a 2-day assignment. So if you scroll down to 1.0 and click on 1.01, Understanding the Role of Accounting in Business Operations. Okay, I went over this PowerPoint, so if you'd like to kind of go over that on your own, that'll be great. And then this is the actual project that I want you to complete. It's due on Wednesday. All right, so disregard this thing about a partner in activity A. That would have to have been something we did in class, and since that's not something we can do right now, we can't do that. So this is your actual project, and you can download a copy. I'm just going to open it up from here for the sake of this video. So, since you and your partner did not research a career in activity A, I'm going to show you how you can do that. And what you're going to do after I show you how to do it is you are going to research a career in accounting. And there's some different sites on how you can get information on the careers. Okay. And then there's a rubric down here that tells you all the different parts that I need to be in there. It needs to be a PowerPoint presentation, not a paper. So if you don't have PowerPoint, if you've got a Chromebook, then of course you could use Google Slides. That would be fine. But one of the two formats would be what I would prefer. Okay. Now I'm going to show you, and this will come from this particular website right here. This one just goes into career planning for high schoolers, and it's a pretty good read. But the best way to find out the different careers that go with accounting is to come up here in the search bar, type in accounting. You can see that I did that earlier today. And here's all the different careers in accounting. I need you to pick one of them to do your PowerPoint on. So let's see. Let me just kind of randomly, I'm going to pick this one. All right, so if you look, there are wages, information, there are national estimates, which is going to come to play in this report, industry profile, geographic profile. It'll tell you where in the country are the best options for this type of job, who's hiring. Maybe a bunch of companies in California are hiring, but nobody out here in North Carolina is hiring. It'll tell you stuff like that. It gives you all kinds of information, and as you scroll down, tons and tons and tons of information. This is on pay, the different pay scale, and if you look at it, the dark green are the highest paying places. So you can see that North Carolina and some of these states right here are the highest paying. That's good to know. Location of where these jobs are, okay, and on and on and on and on and on. Tons of information, and all of it, as you look back at the actual project, are things that you're going to need for it. Okay, so again, as long as you're good with this, I don't need to see you tomorrow in class. I just need you to be working on this tomorrow and then ready to submit it on Wednesday, and we will be moving on Wednesday. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me. Other than that, I think this is all the information you need to complete this project.